Hey there. So today I am super excited to share with you literally step by step on how you are going to start your YouTube channel right from the get-go. I've got one that I'm going to get started and it's totally from scratch. So let's hop into it right now. Hey there. So as you can see, I am starting a brand new YouTube channel from scratch so I can show you from start to finish how to get it up and going. So you can see here, I'm going to be starting a San Diego living channel. And on the San Diego living channel, I am over here. You can see where it says the dashboard, content, and it goes down to analytics, comments, subtitles, copyright. You're going to scroll all the way down to where it says customization. So go ahead and click on customization. This first page here is the layout. As of right now, you probably do not need a channel trailer, and you probably do not need anything because you don't have any subscribers yet. So the first thing you're actually going to do is you're going to click on the second tab that says branding. Yes, branding. You're going to be uploading a picture that goes in here, a channel banner, and a video watermark. And let me go ahead and show you really just how to do this. I'm going to first go to upload. I've got a photo that I already have saved. I'm going to press done on that. The next thing, I've got a channel banner that I've already made. I'll be doing another tutorial on showing you how to create a channel banner, but I'm going to go ahead and upload my channel banner that I've already created. And you can see here, San Diego Living. I'm going to go ahead and press done for that. And then my YouTube watermark, I will give you a copy of this as well, but I have mine saved here in my YouTube, under my YouTube watermark, and I'm going to press done for that. So now when I go, you're going to want to hit publish for this. So hit publish. So it saves those different things. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to basic information. So I'm going to click basic information. On basic information, you're going to have your name, which is going to be whatever you choose. Remember, we talked about niches a little bit. What is your channel going to be about? It might be living in San Diego. It might be moving to San Diego. Whatever it is, I just put San Diego living. And then you are going to go ahead and click a handle name that you would like. With your handle name, there is only one handle name that you can have. Unlike the title, the name of your channel, you can have the same name as somebody else with their channel. There can be 10 San Diego living channels. There can be, tons of unlimited amounts of the name, but there's only one handle. So if somebody already has your handle name, then you need to choose another one. So after you have decided on what your handle is going to be for your channel, you're now going to go ahead and put the description down below. And I already have a description that I created, so I'm going to just copy and paste it right in there. Wherever the location is of your channel, you're going to be making it specific for your particular area. So the channel I'm creating here is going to be about San Diego. So everything on this is going to be about San Diego. And then you're going to want to put your contact information down below of the best way for them to be able to contact you. If you scroll down a little bit down below this, you are going to find it says what your channel URL is. So if you want to share that with somebody else, you may. And then in addition to that, there are links. If you want to link your audience, your subscribers, to any additional links, for example, how about your website? So I'll put in website here, and then I'm going to click that URL. And then with that, I'm going to put my website address in there. So I'm going to copy that in. If I want to put any other links in there, I can do that. I'm going to add my Instagram account. So I'm going to put that and the link for my Instagram account. Any other additional links that you want to include, you can also do that. Same thing at the very bottom. It will have your contact information. You can put your contact information, whatever the best email that you would like for your subscribers to reach you at. So that's that next part. Before you click out of this, make sure you save it, which is publishing it. Once it's published, then that will be saved so you can continue to have that. So if you go back, you'll be able to see your branding is on here, and then now you've got your basic information as well.